Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glam candle holder and one fancy tea light holder. Both of these can be used as centerpieces and will look beautiful on any table. I will list out the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store, where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials are available from Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. We will need one jumbo pencil cup, a medium-sized drinking glass, a glass candlestick holder, an empty ribbon spool, a silver tea light holder, a string of silver necklace beading, some jewel crop stickers or diamond wrap bling, and a pack of silver plastic spoons. Then we will need some silver metallic paint, some fake sol, and our handy dandy glue gun. The glue gun I'm using was purchased off Amazon. Now to begin the first candle holder. We take the jumbo pencil cup and embellish the outside using some jewel crop stickers or diamond wrap. Here I measured out 6 pieces. For this part of the process, I use hot glue. We will be breaking off the arm part of the spoons and using only the arm part today. The round part of the spoons will be set aside for a future project. To add further embellishments, I decide to add some silver trim to the bottom edge of the pencil cup holder as well as to the top edge. Next, we measure out strings of silver beaded necklace to place vertically on the cup to hide the seams where the diamond wrap sheet begins and ends. Next, take the glass candlestick holder and apply some Fix-All and hot glue all around the top rim. Then place the bottom of the drinking glass to the top of the glass candlestick holder. Then apply some Fix-All and hot glue on the top rim of the drinking glass. Place the bottom of the pencil cup to the top of the drinking glass. Once that is done, our first Glam candlestick holder is complete. As you can see, I placed a medium-sized LED operated candle inside and it looks beautiful. For our next project, we will be making a tea light candle holder. We take the cardboard ribbon spool and remove the two ends of paper until the spool resembles an empty toilet roll. Then we paint the outside of the cardboard spool with some silver metallic paint. Approximately 2 coats will be required for an opaque finish. Next, we measure out and apply a string of silver necklace beading to the edge of one end of the spool. For this step, I use hot glue. Then we take our silver plastic spoon arms and affix them vertically onto the spool. Depending on the size of your spool, about 1.5 centimeters of the narrowest end of the spoon arm should be exposed at the end of the spool. Next, we apply a row of crystal gem stickers vertically in between each spoon arm. Then we apply another string of silver necklace beading, this time to the other end of the spool. The final step is to take 3 or 4 spoon arms and insert them in between the gaps of one of the spool, forming somewhat of a tripod. This will give the spool some height when you place it over the silver tea light candle holder. Now we can drop our LED operated tea light into our new tea light holder. And there you have it. Our second project is complete. This tea light holder is so unique and offers the perfect glow to any dinner table. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon!